Good morning, students. We have started a new chapter, Early Human. Okay, first of all, I will tell about this story. One picture is given. Many years ago, Fred, he lived in Africa. He lived alone in a big jungle. Jungle means beta a large part of land that is covered with forest, and he did not have sharp claws or teeth. He used to live in jungle, but he was not an animal. He was not having claws or teeth like animals. He was not stronger like tiger or lion beta. He could not run as fast as a deer or an antelope. Even then, he survived in a forest. He used to live in jungle. He made tools from stones and to hunt animals, to kill animals, because he was not having food at that time. He used to eat animals, and for killing these animals, he made tools from stones and for protecting himself. So, beta, these tools were made from stone. So, this period was called the Stone Age. Early human beings beta appeared on earth thousands of years ago. They were quite different from the modern humans. We all are human beings, but early humans were different from all of us. The gradual changes, gradual means beta time by time changes. The early humans to modern humans over a long period of time is known as evolution. Evolution means beta the gradual changes from early human to modern human and it take a long period of time. Okay, let me show you the pictures of early human and about the gradual changes. Yes, you can see in this picture beta, first of all, man was like a ape. Ape is a kind of beta monkey. He could not walk on his two legs. He used to walk with the help of two hands also, like a monkey. They could not stand forward, straight, upright. Okay, but it took 2 lakhs years. It was a picture of 2 lakhs years ago, and now man is in this position, in proper straight position. Now we all can walk on our 2 legs. These are the pictures of the early humans. They used to live in forest beta. They used to hunt animals. They used to live in huts. They used to live in caves. At that time there were no homes. Then beta early human hunter and gatherer. It means they did not know how to grow crops. They used to kill animals. And their main diet was fruits, nuts and vegetables. And they did not know how to light a fire. So they used to eat raw flesh of animals. And he made stone tools. They tied these sharp stone tools to long pieces of wood or bones of animals, and so they could throw these tools on any animal to kill it or to protect himself. Let me to show you the pictures of tools also. Yes beta, these are the tools made by early humans. When he made tools from the stones and beta bones of animals, this is called Stone Age. An early animal used to live on the beta hanging rocks. These are the pictures of hanging rocks. He used to live in caves also, because at that time he did not know how to build homes. Then early man beta discovery and invention, fire. Then this discovery brought a lot of change early humans beta. One early human saw beta, he was rubbing 2 stones and it accidentally caused lightning or sparks from falling rocks. It was much easy to learn about the fire. Then early human, after invention of fire, used to cook food, and he used to protect himself with the help of fire also. They used fire while traveling at night also. Then wheel, he invented wheel also. Early human traveled on foot and used animals to carry heavy loads beta. After that, one day he saw that early humans seen round objects rolling down from hills, and which gave him idea of a wheel also. And the invention of wheel made movement of people and things easier. Yes, let me show you the picture of early humans, of picture of beta invention of wheel. The wheel was also used for spinning thread and weaving to make clay pots also. And this invention made life easier for early human. Then he do farming also, started farming. Farming and domestication. Domestication means beta to keep animals as pets. Then with the invention of wheel, he can move from one place to another easier. He can gather now fruits and vegetables. Then he noticed that plants grew from the seeds. Then he threw some seeds and grew his crops beta. And he have some seeds into the moist soil. Then he settled from one place also. There was no need to move from one place to another in search of food. And he began to live at one place, a settled life. Then he also began to grow food grains such as wheat and maize. And early humans also began to domesticate. Domesticate means beta keep animals as pets like cow, goat, buffaloes, sheep, because they were very useful to them.